Novels of others like you. An army of ones like you. Born in the jungle. The tiger your best friend. You got it like a king. They bow in your presence. Not at all what you thought when you entered this planet. Your eyes shift from still water to fire in a second. You have been vulnerable and loving, fertile ground for others' creativity. But many have been hurt for their lack of experience and understanding. You drink to the truth, the mourning, the pain, to the ones who you have not yet lost, but hoping to gain. Where art thou, nature's souls, with grounded ways and stability? Now you are a new kind of love, a new kind of danger. A lone ranger. The one that sees the moon and knows it's time for thunder, lightning, and hail. All of it is fascinating, and you're the one who dares. Your pupils dilate when love is near, in many different ways. Nature is clear. An artist knows you cannot disturb an artist's growth. Artist code. You're wild. The thing I love the most. You're deep. Within you are so secure. Inside you have a fire. No one knows what color. What's the point of a mate? All they do is duck and cover, or slither away with new skin like a snake. Fuck the weak-minded, ones that tremble and shake. So, in conclusion, if you ask for my love, I just have but one question. I'm seeking for the prolific, raw, loving nature's child. Are you nature's warrior? Or are you her bitch?